Phoenix Contact's family of Quint power supplies is growing. We now have new low wattage editions ranging from 30 to 100 watts. These Quint Power low wattage power supplies are the ideal solution for critical applications that require a premium feature set but have space and power limitations. Our newest additions include 6 single-phase 24-volt DC devices with current options of 1.3, 2.5, and 3.8 amps. For flexibility, we offer screw-in and push-in connection variations. Each power supply features a rotary dial, which allows you to monitor the amount of power drawn by the load. LED signals alert you when the load is drawing too much power. The solid-state signal enables you to monitor your power supply remotely. For easy output voltage adjustments, there is a potentiometer. This is used to compensate for voltage drop. On the front of the power supply, you will find the product part number and a QR code. The QR code links you directly to the power supply's product information located on Phoenix Contact's website. To learn more about our new Quint Power low wattage power supplies, please visit phoenixcontact.com/quintpower_low wattage.